How to use Canva Presenter View for Zoom. So if you want to use Canva Presenter View, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your browser, and after opening your browser, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, after logging into your account, you need to simply go with your presentation. Select your presentation, make sure that you've done with all of the editing sections. And once done, you need to simply go with present, which will be at the top right. Go with the drop down at first, and then you will have present in full screen. If you click on that, you will get this kind of interface. You'll have full screen presentation. Or if you go with the second option, you will have presenter view. You need to click on that, and then you will have the presenter view. Go with got it, and you'll get this kind of interface. It will start the recording as well, and then on the right side you will be able to add some notes to your design, and then you will also have Canva live option as well. So this is the presented view. Next we have present and record. You can record yourself as you present. And then we have autoplay, which is set speed to automatically play. So these are the options you can use, whichever option that you're comfortable with. And in this way, you'll be able to use Canva Presenter View for Zoom. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.